Welcome back. I'm Matthew. Today we're going to do a shave video. Let's get this started. I'm going to wet the face. And just I've already done my pre-shave routine with some glycerin soap. I figured this week I'll skip that for you to make our shave a little quicker. And today we're going to be using the Soap by 345. It's called Fresh Cut Fade. Now the scent on this, I'm not going to lie to you, I got this earlier this week and very nice smell, very nice smell. I couldn't wait to use it, so I used it. Sorry, but I wanted to share it with you today. Now this is a barbershop scent. To me, you know, every barbershop scent is a little bit different, but you can definitely pick up the bergamot, the sandalwood, and the patchouli. Now, I know what you're going to say, Jerry. How do you smell these smells? Let me tell you a little secret. I go to TJ Maxx or Home Goods, and I go down the candle aisle, and I'll pick out candles that have those fragrances in it because I'm trying to develop my nose. I don't know what these things smell like. So I'll get them and I'll get a little whiff and I'll kind of make a mental note on what patchouli smells like or sandalwood. Because when you mix all those things together, all of a sudden you get a nice, fresh, clean scent. And that's what we got today. Now, I'm going to be using the Vikings blade. This is the, drawing a blank here, the Godfather. And this is the Stonehenge version. This is the 304 stainless steel. And I was drawing a blank on it because it reminds me of another razor I have that I haven't shown. But anyway, this is a 3-piece razor. And with this being stainless, I'm not sure on this plate if it's brass or if it's just got a brass coating on it. But a viewer, Mike, sent me this to try out, so I'm going to give it a spin today. Mike, thank you very much for sending me that razor to try out. And never used it before, so we're going to get a real interpretation of how this thing shaves. Going to be using the Gillette Silver Blue blade. This is the second use blade, so I'm just going to throw it in the top cap here, just like all the other 3-piece razors. And one thing that I can tell you right away about this razor is definitely hefty. There's no end cap sticking out, so you don't have to worry about cutting yourself on that. And I've already got the soap in the bowl. I'm going to be using PAA's Starcraft synthetic brush. I'm going to go ahead and wet that real quick and get to lathering. Just using the regular stainless steel bowl. Some people say these are dog water bowls, but I can assure you this one is not. And since I have used this soap, a couple videos ago I had told you they had a subscription pack where you can choose what you want to get every month. And of course, they have a list on the website there that shows you what you're going to get each month, but there is a selection of what you want to get. So the very first option is just the soap and the splash, and that's what I picked. And so I'm looking forward to some of the new soaps that are going to be coming every month. And this soap is a little thirsty. When in doubt, add water. How'd your week go? Yeah? I've been pretty busy this week. Haven't been keeping up too much with everybody on Facebook and Instagram. Sorry. I'm going to add a little bit more water. I did use a 1/4 teaspoon of soap with this one. Or no, I take that back, 1/2 teaspoon. I was wanting to go a little bit extra with it, so it's going to require a little bit more water than normal. And while I keep talking, I'm just going to add some more water. Has anybody else tried the 345 soap? Comment below if you have. May add a little bit more water. Maybe not that much. Like I said, every soap is a little bit different, so you just have to adjust as you go. There's no real formula on how much soap for each one because the ingredients are all different. I mean, some companies use the same ingredients, but you don't know how much of one particular ingredient, so that can change everything with the lathering process. All right, I've got enough lather going here. Oh man, that smells good. I've already forgot if I said I was going to put the scent profile in there, so whenever I go to edit the video, I will add it during the beginning. And it smells good. The other thing that I was going to tell you, which for those with wives, girlfriends, fiancés, Mama did approve this smell of this soap, so that's always a plus. I didn't even tell her. I just went to shaving, came out. She's like, man, it smells good. What do you got? And I said, I do soap. All right, warm up the razor and let's see how this beauty does. 2 days worth of growth. I did look on Amazon and kind of read some of the reviews on this razor, and just the description in it, it was saying it's a mild razor. And so you guys know I like the aggressive razors, but I'm not always going to show aggressive razors because not everybody likes them. So, you know, to be fair, I'll do some mild razors and let everybody know my opinion on them. And to be honest, this razor is it does have a little bit of blade feel, but it's very smooth, and I will say that it's pretty mild. If you can see the comb on here, it's a little bit different of a comb, to be honest. It's kind of got some deep channels in there. I was worried about how well it's going to rinse, but it rinses out really well with just shaking it a little bit. Mike, comment below on what you thought of this razor. You can tell or hear that it's cutting away very nicely. Sink full of hair down there. Get a little bit of water on the hands. See how well this is done. Pretty nice. Got a little bit right in there to pick up. Same thing right there. That soap is very slick. I like it. That's why I got a subscription. About to have a catastrophe down there. I'd say I could probably use a little bit more soap, or not soap. There's plenty of soap in here is what I was thinking. A little bit more water with the soap. just for a split second, I thought, did I turn the camera on? Good thing that red light's going up there with the minutes. So we're going to go across the grain. It's a nice little razor. Cold water rinse. Got another stainless steel bowl down there that I use to hold my washcloth. Do you guys do a cold water rinse or hot water rinse? I used to do the hot water, but then somebody had mentioned do cold water in one of the shave groups. Got the old ice cube. And I gave it a try, and it seemed to, I don't know, I liked it a little bit better. I know it's an extra step in the shaving process, but it seemed to help out with some of the irritation or the ingrown hairs that I have. It just helps close those pores up a lot quicker. Lancaster black sheep towel. Curious to see what the Lancaster Razor Works is going to release for Father's Day. I don't know if he's going to have some different colors coming out, or I'll be looking out for him. I just kind of want to get one of those orange ones. I don't know if it's orange or burnt orange. Maybe that's a Halloween special. All right, matching splash. Before I open that up, I'm going to give it a little shake. This is one of those ones that you can tell it's got the, where it separates. And with this splash, there's no alcohol, so there's not going to be any stinging or burning. Like I said before in another video, you can tell it's got a little bit of that extra moisturizing characteristics in it, which is pretty nice. So some people could get away without using any star jelly, but I got to use it, so I'm addicted to that stuff. Little dab will do you. Had a couple new subscribers since the last video, and I appreciate the new subscribers. For everyone else that's returning, thank you. And I'm going to put a picture right here of the stuff that I used today. Excellent shave. The razor did well, nice and mild. I like it. Maybe just a touch on the other side of mild, working towards, you know, medium maybe. But if you have that razor, comment below. Let me know what you think about it. And I think, well, let's just, let me show you real quick on this soap. If you guys haven't tried it, you know, some people are like, that's not enough soap. You're not using enough soap. Still have soap in the bowl, but let's just see what we got here in the in the brush. And I could probably get more out of the brush than this, but you know, very, very nice lather. Man, that's excellent. All right, well, thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Let me know in the comments below if there's something that you want to see on the next video. It won't be this next one because I have something else I want to try, but maybe the next one after that. Thanks for watching, guys.